Hey guys, welcome back to the latest video from Elbrose Trains UK, and today we're at Eastleigh, located on the South Western Main Line. So,
platform 1, this train is not for public use. Please don't do a train on platform 1, this is not for public use.
So anyway, today we see services from Great Western, well, this is from South Western Railway cross country, and a special train which is here. This is the Statesman, which is operating a Eastleigh to Weymouth Locomotive Services Limited Rail Tour. And it's a 47 on the front, and there's a Intercity one on the back. So let's see what's up here, shall we? Let's get started here at Eastleigh. Enjoy the video, guys. Guys, departing now is Locomotive Services Limited Rail Tour.
Slowly departing, please stand back from the edge of platform 1.
It's a 47 on the front. It's top and tailed. And there's a special treat, it's got an Intercity on the back of it. .7828. Yeah. Off that goes to see what's next. Oh guys, following through now, we have a cross-country Voyager. It's 113A and 220 something on the front. Off that's a service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. Off that goes to see what's next. Guys, going through platform 2 here, we have a 66. Actually no, it's going through platform 3. Just move up here a bit. There's a 66 going through platform 3. You just see the 66 in here. There goes the 66 through there. 66097. It's a DB. He's going to come over here.
Train services will also be retimed and diverted around the area. For full details of how your journey may be affected, please check before you travel by visiting our website.
There it goes. Alright, off that goes. Let's see what's next. Get a quick picture. Goes. See what's next. Guys, passing through now, we have a 444 to London Waterloo. That was 444013 and 444042. It's off to Waterloo from Weymouth. Off that goes. See what's next. One I just forgot to say. Joining me here is Dan Parrott Trains. Well, Ben BTW Trains. So anyway, let's see what's next. Oh, okay, yeah, all right. We'll link in the description and go and sub to his channel. Anyway, see what's next. Guys, pulling in now. We have a South Western Railway Class 450, which is forming the 1647 South Western Railway service to Waterloo from Portsmouth Harbour. It's 450014. Hello. So we'll catch that on departure. Departing now is 450 014 and 450 078 off to London Waterloo from Weymouth. Well, no, London Waterloo from Portsmouth, sorry. Portsmouth Harbour. Off that goes, let's see what's next. Passing through now. 444028. And 444016. It's off to London Waterloo from Weymouth. And sparking on the thread rails, that's quite, oh god. Ugh. Anyway, see what's next. Coming in now is the delayed 1650 South Western Railway service to Romsey from Salisbury.
One for the 1650 South Western Railway service to Romsey via
158 That's over the driver. Departure. Our departure now is 158 off to Romsey, late 1650. Right, off that goes, let's see what's next. Alright guys, pulling in now, we have a class 444 to pull. We'll get a soft one.
Oh, this is supposed to be a train, is it?
But no, we'll get the other one, the next one, just the one for that.
Alright, okay.
444023. That's just on departure. Departing now is the delayed 5 o'clock to Poole. Alright, off that goes. Let's see what's next. Guys, so as that train, that 444 leaves, I will end my video here at Eastleigh. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like what you've seen, make sure you like and subscribe. Any comments or recommendations are welcome. Leave them down below. Eastleigh is a brilliant station, and that rail tour was a good surprise, even with 47828 on the rear of it, intercity livery. That was quite nice. But anyway, joining me here today was Dan Parrott Trains, so go and check out his channel, link in description. But anyway, there'll be...
Make sure to please check out my video that's going to be uploaded as well.
He's doing a video too. I don't know if I'm going to film at Westby. I'm just going to be done for the day, no more spotting. But anyway, we'll see you later guys. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.